This is lab 7 for DC circuits. Now for this lab, I will be changing which light is on when I rotate this potentiometer. Turn and turn. There. Now, I'll be using all 3 grounds from my board. Ignore this over here, it's for a different lab. Now, from the 5 volts flows to the positive strip here, which then flows to both the LEDs. Now, from the LEDs goes down to the switching side, that the normally open and normally closed position sections of the relay. Now, regardless of what position the relay is in, an LED will be on, and then electricity will flow to this resistor here, and then to the ground over here. Now currently, the 5 volts is also flowing to the transistor here, point out right there, and is going from one of the side legs to the other. And while that's happening, well, in this case, we'll jump over to the 3.3 here, which then flows down. 3.3, which then flows to the potentiometer here, which when turned, it changes resistance to which side leg it goes out of, whether it goes directly to the ground or if it flows over to the center leg of the transistor here. And when the potentiometer sends electricity over to the transistor's middle leg here, it activates the transistor like a switch, like electricity pushing a button, kind of like the coil in the relay, where then it allows electricity to flow from, on the transistor that is, from the one side leg to another. Because if there was no power flowing to the center pin, then the button wouldn't be pushed, in a manner of speaking, within the transistor, and electricity would not be allowed to flow through it. But in this case, it is, because the blue light is on, and then it allows electricity to flow through to the coil side of the relay, jump over to the other side, activate the coil, not that order, and then cause the switch to the blue light, where when it's not, it switches to green. That is all.